Today we're going to be looking at jobs in different settlements. Now, as you can remember, we have three different types of settlements. We get rural, we get suburban, and we get urban. Now, in each settlement, we get different types of jobs. So let's have a look at them. Jobs in rural areas. So if we have a look at the first picture, we have a farm and it is a tractor driver that is there. We have a farmer who plants and harvests vegetables. We have a cow farmer that is milking the cow. Jobs in an urban area. Let's look at the first picture. We have a doctor. So remember, in urban areas, there's a lot more people, a lot more buildings. So the jobs will be way more in an urban area than what it would be in a rural area or a suburban area. So a doctor, definitely. We have a builder, so people who actually need to build the infrastructure, our roads, our buildings, we need those people. And then we have a judge, so someone who makes sure that the laws are being upheld and people are following the rules. And then we have a teacher, and we have a policeman or police officer that's making sure that everyone is safe. And then we have a cashier who is controlling, helping people buy their foods and letting them on their way. Jobs in a suburban area. So remember, our suburban area is mainly houses and parks, but there are some jobs that people can or do in their suburban areas. So, for example, in the first picture, we have a coffee shop owner. So this could be someone who opens up a small little coffee shop or a place where you can buy coffee from their home, or they open up a small coffee shop close to or amongst the houses in the suburban area. The other one would be a baker. Perhaps a baker is baking from home and selling her baked goods. A nursery school teacher. So some people or teachers open up their own school, nursery school, in a house. That's it. Let's look at the quizzes. Let's see what you know. In which settlement will you find this job? Rural, very good, because we can see there she's working on the farm and she's working with sheep, so very good. In which settlement will you find this job? Most likely urban. In which settlement will you find this job? Suburban or urban. It looks a lot more spacious. So it could be a boutique that maybe someone has opened in their house or a space in the suburban area. You could also say urban, like maybe in a town that they might have opened up a shop there. And which settlement will you find this job? So this is someone that is working at a spaza shop. So this would normally be in a rural area, either near a farm or a village. Which settlement will you find this job? This would be in urban, because urban areas, there's mainly airports and pilots flies airplanes and they mainly work close to airports or at the airports. In which settlement will you find this job? This is a plumber. So this would be considered an urban or a suburban settlement where you'd find a plumber. This is a baker. So we would find this kind of job in a suburban as well as urban area.